Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether you can cancel a Remitly transfer after sending it. Yes, you can cancel a Remitly transfer, but timing is everything. The primary rule is that your transfer can only be cancelled as long as your recipient has not yet received or collected the funds. Once the money has been successfully deposited into their bank account, picked up in cash, or delivered to a mobile wallet, cancellation is no longer possible. To check if cancellation is available, you can use either the mobile app or the official website. If you are using the Remitly mobile app, open the app and log into your profile. On the home page, locate your recent transfers list and tap on the specific transfer you want to stop. Check the current status of the transfer. If the option is available, scroll down and select Cancel Transfer. Choose your reason for cancellation and tap Confirm. If you are using the website, go to remitly.com and sign into your account. Navigate to the top menu and select Transfer History. Find and click on the transfer you wish to cancel, then select View Receipt. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Cancel Your Transfer. Select a reason if prompted and hit Submit. What happens after you successfully cancel? Remitly will process an automatic refund back to your original payment method. Keep in mind that the time it takes for the funds to reflect in your account depends on how you paid. Card payments typically take about 3 to 5 business days, while bank transfers can take up to 10 business days. If you do not see a cancel option on your screen, it usually means the transfer has already been processed or delivered. In that case, your best option is to contact Remitly customer support directly to see if any alternative solution is available. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.